Alexandra Ferrante here with another episode of DiyAF. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for coming in. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel. I post lots of videos about DIYs, home tips, and life hacks that you could implement yourself. So if you look at my past videos, we do a lot of work in this bathroom of mine, my hall bathroom. Today, I want to show you a super quick, super affordable way that you could upgrade your vanities on a budget. So here we go. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be swapping out the knobs. Super simple, super affordable. It's a great way to update your vanities on a budget. I went to Cost Plus World Market and I found these little knobs. How cute are they? Look. So pretty, I love them. They match my countertops, they match my rug. Really, really easy to install. All we're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver. So let's get started. You're just gonna go inside the drawer and unscrew it. So we took off the old one. You're just gonna stick the bolt into the hole. There's a little washer that it comes with. Put the washer on the other side and tighten the bolt. Again, so easy, so simple. It makes a big difference. You can come back in with a wrench later and tighten it if you need to, but I got it on there pretty good. Look at that, how cute. And now we're just gonna do the rest and I'll show you when we're done. So we are all set, they are all installed. Guys, that literally took me less than 10 minutes and it was less than $20 if you use your coupons at World Market. It came out adorable. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Alexandra Ferrante. This is DiyAF. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Unlock your happiness, guys. I'll catch you next time.